Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to export a Canva presentation with animations to PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, go to Canva. Next, open your Canva presentation with animations. As you can see, all the pages here include animations. Now, click the Share button in the top right corner. Click See All. In the file type, choose Microsoft PowerPoint. Click Download, and Canva will export your presentation as a PowerPoint file. Here is the file that we downloaded just now. And that's it. Your animated presentation is now ready to use in PowerPoint. If you found this helpful, please give it a like. Thanks for watching.